I got the keys. I got the keys. Hey. This is the first time I'm moving into my own place, like for the long term. Because I've had my own place, but it's always just been like 3 months, 4 months. Like this, I plan to actually stay for at least a year, if not 2 or 3. So I'm super excited because I've always just done house shares and flat shares. And like I said, anything that was on my own would always just be short term. So yeah, I'm very excited. I will show you the place in a bit, but I'm just here to pick up the keys and to measure some things. So I'm gonna do some measuring. The other one is like slightly identical, if that's possible. It looks like this, like the one across the hall, but their windows, mine are just slanted like that. Theirs is more like, it goes like choot choot. So they have more height. But I think in terms of floor space, mine might be slightly bigger. So it all, you know, it's all fair in the end, I think. But yeah, it's really bright. I love it. That's sort of like, I spent 2 days searching for a studio around this price range. And this is slightly more expensive than any others that I've viewed, but also it's just like much brighter. The other ones were just like old and crusty box-shaped studios in like not the nicest neighborhoods. So I'm very happy with this. This has so much natural light. I'm so happy with that. Come in, there's a kitchen and this like living area, and that's refrigerator. Big enough for me. Stovetop, dishwasher, and then just like plenty of cupboard space. I don't know what I'm gonna do here actually, because I was thinking dining table and sofa, but now that I look at it, it looks a bit tight. And then this is where I plan to put my bed, just like a low frame, and I might do some like stick on wallpaper here. And then this little corner, I believe I'm just gonna put a desk there and have that be my workspace. And then if we go over here, I want this to be my wardrobe, like a full-on walk-in wardrobe. Put shelving here. And maybe some, sorry, I'm chewing gum, that must sound horrendous. And then also have a full-length mirror here, and then sliding door into the bathroom. Bathroom's just like your basic toilet, shower. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Yeah, I'm just not sure what to do with this space though. Like, can I fit both a dining table and some sort of sofa? Do I have a TV? Like, can I fit a TV? Is that possible? Sorry, but what is this sunlight? Still very stoked, if you can't tell. Yeah, I'm gonna head back to Utrecht now. Might go for a drink first here, just on my own. So I just got back from Action. did not realize Ikea had a full-on rug section like this. I mean, I'm not surprised, but that's cool. I'm not in the market for a rug, but like, cute. It's a bit shorter. As comparison, that one is like a foot shorter than that one. But imagine if I had that in my flat, that would be so amazing. This one's cute too. And it's cheaper by like £20, 20 euros. But this has always been my dream mirror. Oh my god. Me again. This is like a brand new day. It's one day before my actual move day. So my room, if you can see in the background, is looking like a hot mess. But I thought I would show you what I got at Ikea because I never showed you. I was so exhausted that day. I came home, had dinner, baked cookies for some reason, and then I just fell asleep, obviously. By the end of the baking cookies, it was already like 2 a.m. or something. So I want to give you a little Ikea haul because those are always fun. I will go to Ikea again tomorrow to just like pick up the big pieces like a mattress and a mirror. And yeah, but I thought I would show you all the little pieces that I got. So here we go. Please ignore that. I've started packing, so everything's just like on the floor now. I got, this is the duvet cover and pillow combo that I like adore. It's the one I have now. But this is my landlord's basically. Oh, look at that, that's cute. Yeah, those are already no pillowcases on that. But so I thought I'd buy the same one because it's like white, but it has texture, so it really looks just like airy and cute. And then I got a set of 24 different silverwares. Not 24 different ones, but like 6 sets of 4. And I really want gold ones, but all the ones that I saw that are like with good reviews and everything, they're quite expensive. They're like 60 euros. So I thought, you know what, that's gonna be like a next month purchase or something. Got a wooden spoon, I thought that would be handy. One of these drying racks. Bed sheets, just in cream, I think they're like 8 euros or something. This I thought would be handy for just cleaning windows and bathroom floor. And then a shower curtain. These are pretty cheap, they're like 3 or 2 euros or something. Then I have a second bag. This is definitely not a priority. Like, not first month material, you know? But I was like, this looks sick. So what happens is, give me a sec. You push it out and then it becomes like that. Oh my god. A big cutting board and 3 different mats. So 2 for like the bathroom, 1 for either indoor or outdoor. Just to, like, wipe off your shoes. And all of the mats were actually on sale for like half price. In store though, because online they were definitely full price. That's the Ikea haul. I'm gonna miss this little corner of sunshine where I have my plants. I'm gonna really miss this like little aesthetic. I was never a fan of the rug, to be fair, but like that broken mirror with a gold pot and a peace lily, and then like the 2 frames just leaning there, and the other 2 plants. Just like my little corner of sunshine when the sun is in like that. It's so cute. Anyway, now I'm about to head to Amsterdam. Well, I'm waiting for a load of laundry to finish up, and then I'll hang it, and then heading to Amsterdam because I missed one thing that I need to measure, and I'm so annoyed at myself. But I'm trying to buy a big like 2 meter tall mirror, the Hove mirror in Ikea, but the corner of my room that I want it in, I'm not sure it's gonna fit 2 meters with that width. So this is like, after I measure this is the deciding factor of like which mirror I'm gonna get, because it's either the Hove one or there's this like 170 centimeter tall one that's a little bit skinnier as well that I know will fit. And then there's also a gold mirror that they just released. which is like 168 meters or something, or 58 centimeters. And I like the gold, but it's just like a little bit too short for my liking. It can. I will have to cover that light, but it definitely can do 78 times 196. So I think we're good. Because this frame is like 75, 275. So it's just like right below that and a little bit wider, like 3 centimeters wider. Oh, look at my nail. I did it myself and there was an air bubble and then it just like, yeah, it didn't work out. It lasted for like 3 days. But yeah, so it's good. It's all the same. Like, yay, I don't have to change my vision or anything. Also, if I lean it there, the view of my mirror selfies, and this sounds so conceited, but again, if I'm spending my money, I'm gonna spend it right. So the view of my mirror selfies would be like the slant of the wall and the length of the apartment, which is nice. Compared to if I put it here, it just wouldn't have the full effect. You know what I mean?